Today I'm going to show you how to update DNS records on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, just log in and press the settings button of the chosen domain. You can choose between your domains registered by SiteGround and domains registered by other companies that you use for a website in your SiteGround account. So just choose it, and after next procedure is on the next page, select DNS zone editor and create DNS records following the steps below. So navigate to the create new record section, click the tab corresponding to the type of record you wish to create, and then fill in the required information and click create. So click on the settings button of the domain you want to edit, navigate to the DNS zone editor, manage DNS records section, click the pencil edit icon to edit the selected DNS record. So this is how to manage your DNS records. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.